Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's really out there? Our home in the cosmos, the Milky Way Galaxy, is a vast and mysterious place, filled with billions of stars, planets, and cosmic wonders yet to be explored. But how much do we really know about it? Today, let's take a journey through the heart of the Milky Way, unraveling its secrets and exploring the incredible mysteries hidden within. The Milky Way Galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy, stretching over 100,000 light-years in diameter. It's home to an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars, and guess what? Our very own solar system is just a tiny speck in one of its spiral arms known as the Orion Arm. But why do we call it the Milky Way? The name comes from ancient Greek mythology, where it was believed to be a stream of milk from the goddess Hera. In reality, what we see as a milky glow in the night sky is actually billions of distant stars blending together. Our galaxy has several key parts: the galactic core, the densest region packed with stars and home to a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. This black hole is over 4 million times the mass of our sun. The spiral arms. These arms extend outward from the center, containing gas, dust, and new stars forming. The halo, a massive, invisible sphere surrounding the galaxy, made up of old stars and mysterious dark matter that scientists are still trying to understand. Did you know? The Milky Way is constantly moving. It's traveling through space at a mind-blowing speed of 1.3 million miles per hour. Our Milky Way is not alone. It's part of a group of over 50 galaxies known as the Local Group. The closest major galaxy is Andromeda, which is actually on a collision course with us. Scientists predict that in about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge, forming an entirely new galaxy. But don't worry, the vast distances between stars mean it's unlikely that any actual collisions will happen. Despite all our knowledge, the Milky Way still holds many secrets. Dark matter scientists believe most of our galaxy is made up of invisible dark matter, but we still don't know what it is. Alien life? Could there be intelligent civilizations hiding among the billions of stars? The search continues. Rogue planets. Planets drifting through space without a star? Could some of them even harbor life? Our galaxy is an endless source of wonder, filled with beauty, mysteries, and cosmic phenomena beyond our imagination. And as technology advances, who knows what new discoveries await? So next time you look up at the night sky, just remember, you are part of something truly extraordinary. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space mysteries.